Y'all, we're gonna do a quick comparison between the original Woodfire Grill and the new XL Pro Connect Woodfire Grill. Guys, this is gonna be a simple video. I'm gonna dumb it down as best as possible to show you, the sizes of everything, the two grill plates compare in size, how much room we have inside of the actual grills. We're gonna talk about the weight difference, all the bells and whistles, compare it as best as possible. But guys, if I miss anything in the comparisons, throw it down in the comments. I'll try to address them as they come up, okay? But really, this is gonna be a quick, simple video showing you some quick measurements, and that's about it. I'm about to cook a brisket on the new Woodfire XL, and you can watch that video right there when it comes out. So the link will be right there. All right. Yeah, I love technology. I just point to the air, and you'll see the video. It'll pop up. Anyway. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna bring you down to the workbench right here, and we'll start going over some measurements, and we'll talk about it. First up, we're looking at the original Woodfire grill. Got my tape measure out. Got about 14.5 inches from side to side there, and 11 inches from front to back. If you look down at the display, we have the same settings. We got grill, smoker, air crisp, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate. We got the Woodfire flavor button. Obviously, it all looks a little bit different on the new XL. Start, stop, time, temp, all that good stuff. It's kind of more analog using this dial style, but no big deal. The grease trap is in the back. That grease trap is about 1.5 inches deep. The grease trap on the XL grill is about 2 inches deep. Obviously, it's a bigger grill, so it's gonna need more grease drainage as you cook, right? Over to the XL, all shiny and new. Gotta extend our tape measurer. We're looking at about 18 inches right there. And then from front to back, we got 12 inches. So we got 1 inch more depth and about 4 inches more across. Ninja says it's about 30% more grilling space. If you look at the dial here, again, we have the settings. We have the mode, Woodfire flavor button, time and temp. There's a probe button right there, so you push that probe button. There's my probes. There are 2 probes, and they fit on the side over there. My original Woodfire did not come with the probes, which is okay with me. It is about the same grill surface, same grease trap drain in the back. All right, surfaces are the same, like I said, non-stick, dishwasher safe, all that good stuff. As far as the inside, here, we're gonna do a quick eyeball test from the fan lid right here down to the lip down there, 6 inches. Obviously, there's a bit more. It goes to 8 inches, around the fan. The heating elements right there, so you can't really mess with it. So you're looking about 6 inches of space from the lip of this down there, maybe a little bit more if you use the grill plate, about 1/2 inch or so of the grill plate. Woodfire original grill, you're looking at more at 4 inches depth from the fan to the lip right here, give or take, and the same thing, another 1/2 inch or so for the grill. So you're gaining about 2 inches height in the XL Woodfire. With the Woodfire XL, I did not have to attach anything. I didn't need any tools or anything like that. The Woodfire original, we had to put the handles on, which obviously not that big of a deal. Let's look at the baskets, the air fryer baskets, the air crisp baskets. So we got the original, and we got the XL in there. On the XL here, you can see the grooves in the grill plate where the sets, and then same with the original. Hoppers, it's a little bit different, okay? This pulls out, this lifts up. All right, so that pulls up. It's the same hopper basket, okay? So it pulls out, same size. Same size basket, okay? Kind of wish they would have made the hopper a little bit bigger on the XL. We're gonna do bigger and badder cooks in there, but it is what it is. The original Woodfire clocks in a little over 20 pounds from what I remember off the book, and the XL is about 40 pounds. Okay, just a shade under 40 pounds. So it's a bit heavier, okay? So just be aware of that. Based off my eyeballing and half-ass measuring, the cords are about the same size, if not the same size. They have the same tripping mechanism here, just for safety. As far as extras go, each of them have accessories you can buy separately off the website or off of Ninja Kitchen. You can get covers, a griddle plate, stand, and pellets. Guys always get asked if you have to use Ninja pellets with these. Don't, okay? Just use any food safe pellets you like, okay? So Just remember that. I keep my wood fires outside, so I definitely need the cover. I don't necessarily need the stand because I have workbenches out here that I set them up on, but you guys, yeah, make your call on that one. All right, so I think that covers about everything. Like I said, quick, easy video, give you all the measurements, let you know where you're at. Obviously, we're gonna do more videos on the new XL just to break it in, but kind of keep in mind that any of my recipes will work in either wood fire. So if I do one on one or the other on the other, they're pretty interchangeable, okay? If you guys would like to check out some of the recipes I've done for the Woodfire Grill, I have a playlist here on YouTube for the Woodfire Grill, but I've also written 2 e-cookbooks. So if you wanna check them out, I'll put the links down below to my website. You can check them both out. Get both, there's a deal for a bundle, save you a couple bucks. Other than that, guys, we're done. Like I say, quick, easy, in and out, let's go. I need to get that brisket started going. Guys, if you like this, put the thumbs up for me, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. If you want to get either one of these wood fires, I have links down below to Ninja Kitchen. They're affiliate links. They don't cost you anything more to use, but they help out your boy, right? Speaking of helping out your boy, there's 2 ways to become a show producer. You can join my Patreon, or you can join the channel membership with the link down below, so you can become a show producer like all these people scrolling across the screen right here. Hit the link for Patreon, hit the join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit right now. But either way, it helps out your boy, helps out the channel, makes me still be able to do content like this. Guys, that's it. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for checking out my new grills. Cheers.